తీవ్రమైన తలనొప్పి. ఆల్సో సమ్టైమ్స్ స్వెల్లింగ్, తీవ్రమైన కడుపు నొప్పి. సమ్టైమ్స్ లూజ్ మోషన్ డ్యూరింగ్ మెన్సెస్, నీళ్ళ వేసిన ఆర్ లూజ్ మోషన్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ మెన్సెస్. బహిష్టు కాలమున బహిష్టు వచ్చుటకు బదులుగా నీళ్ళ ఎదురేసిన వెళ్ళి 3 రోజులు అయిపోతాయి. ఆర్ వామిటింగ్ డ్యూరింగ్ మెన్సెస్, డ్యూరింగ్ ఎవ్రీ మెన్సెస్. బహిష్టు ఉన్నప్పుడల్లా బ్రహ్మాండమైన వాంతులు. Some cases. In some cases, only vomiting when menses is expected and no menses. కొందరిలో బహిష్టు సమయంలో వాంతులు మాత్రం వచ్చి వెళ్ళకపోతాయి 3 రోజులు. And in some cases, vomiting and loose motion during menses. వాంతులు వేసిన 2 ఉంటాయి. In some cases, only vomiting and loose motion instead of menses. And in vomiting, the lady vomits blood. వాంతిలో కొద్దిగా రక్తం పడుతూ ఉంటుంది, a little blood. So instead of menstruation, she may have blood in the vomiting. In some cases, during menses, the lady will be having epistaxis, that is nose bleeding, profuse nose bleeding. ముక్కు వెంట రక్తం వస్తుంది. Or she may be having only nose bleed for 3 days and without menses. బహిష్టు సమయం నందు బహిష్టు లేకయే ముఖం రక్తం. These are the many alternatives that can be found in a chronic phosphorus lady patient. The lady may be having sterility, no children, like lycopodium, sepia, pulsatilla. Phosphorus, lycopodium, sepia, pulsatilla సంతతి కలుగని లక్షణం. To many ladies, on regards to have that they are pure and they had children. Sepia always only 1 or 2 doses required to rectify and get children. So one doctor says, sepia gives childbirth. Multiga mulika sikte nunde machinu alaga. Sepia mulika. Lycopodium. Of course not 1 dose. Sepia always only 1 dose to rectify everything and give a child. And lycopodium also rectifies. Phosphorus, not 1 dose. Only sepia is an exception. 1 dose or 2 doses, that's all. And we should remember that we should control giving sepia many doses, because the 1 or 2 doses will go on working and the patient is cured. We should be very careful. 1 dose may work for 5 or 6 months and then after cure she may get a child. The second dose spoils such a situation if hastily given. So these are the 4 drugs that are to be specially remembered in case of sterility. So this is about the menses of phosphorus. And the other symptoms also she will be having. When she is having vomitings, she will be having a craving for high school things, and when she drinks, she vomits, etc. You have to link up other things. Next, another indication of phosphorus is yellow spots on the abdomen. పొట్ట మీద పసుపు పొట్టని పుట్టు మచ్చలు లాంటి మచ్చలు ఇంత మచ్చలు పడతాయి పెద్ద మొత్తం. ఆర్ బ్రౌన్ స్పాట్స్ ఆన్ ది అబ్డోమెన్, కవరంగు చక్రంగు స్పాట్స్ పుడతాయి పొట్ట మీద. అండ్ అనదర్ ఇండికేషన్ నెక్స్ట్ in phosphorus, it may be in piles or it may be in loose motion, or it may be in constipation, or it may be in fistula. The patient feels a pain in the coccyx, that is last bone of the vertebral column. వెన్నెముకకు చెట్ట చివరి ఎముకలో నొప్పి. Here it starts, and from the anus it shoots up. ఆసనము నుండి పైకి పొడుచుతుండుట నొప్పి. It shoots up. You find the same type of pain in Naxomica also. So look to the other symptoms if the patient wants an Naxomica or a dose of phosphorus. He may be also having hemorrhages from bile and great pain and burning in the bile. Whenever there is burning in the bile, the fellow goes into great hunger. The diabetes of phosphorus. Diabetes with thirst for ice cold things. Thirst for ice cold things. Salary. కోరుతూ ఉండి can you tell me another person having these two symptoms? The bryonia and phosphorus. Sulfur. Arnica. These are all drugs that are indicating diabetes for many patients. Some diabetes patients may be arnica patients. Now this fellow wants ice cool drink. Ice cool drink. The diabetes of bryonia and the diabetes of phosphorus. Very difficult to identify. Both require very cool drink, ice cool drink. The bryonia patient drinks more of liquid. He has also general emaciation. సన్నగా అయిపోతూ ఉంటాడు, సృష్టించుట. The arnica fellow, does he want cool drink or hot drink? Do you remember? Why? In diabetes, he wants warm drink. And both bryonia and arnica fellow is having body pain. Bryonia fellow is lazy, he is postponing his work. He just applies for leave and just sleeps continuously. The arnica fellow, he is too much worried about work. He goes to the office. He wants to do the work, but he has no stamina to do much. He is worried in the mind, struggling in the mind. He comes home. He wants to go up to the office, etc. again. So, he is worried and he is restless. He wants to move. And the body pains of bryonia, they want to be pressed. People should press the pains of bryonia. Whereas in arnica, people should not touch him. Like that, you should be able to understand. The phosphorus fellow will develop gradual weakness, general emaciation and gradual weakness until he becomes a skeleton-like person. అస్థిపంజరం అయిపోతాడు కొన్ని నెలల్లో. But it is too slow and he fails to notice until it is late. Phosphorus fellow చాలా నిదానంగా నెలల మీద వస్తుంది. He becomes bony and he becomes a skeleton. And he has also heat of the head, just like sulfur patient. తలలోంచి వేడి మంటలు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. మనకు కూడా ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ హీట్ ఆల్సో విల్ బి దేర్. ది ఆబ్జెక్టివ్లీ ఆల్సో ది హెడ్ ఈజ్ హాట్. మనం ముట్టుకు చూసిన వేడిగానే ఉంటుంది, వాడికి కూడా చాలా సెగలు పొగలు వస్తున్నాయి తలలో ఉంటాడు. సబ్జెక్టివ్లీ అండ్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్లీ ఆల్సో ది హెడ్ ఈజ్ హాట్. ఎక్స్ట్రిమిటీస్ ఆర్ కోల్డ్. చేతులు కళ్ళు చల్లగా ఉంటాయి. phosphorus. This is the picture of a phosphorus diabetes patient. And most probably he develops a sluggish bladder and urinary canal. That is a general retention of some urine. కొంత మూత్రం మిగిలిపోతుంది. He cannot completely evacuate his bladder. పూర్తిగా మూత్రం ఖాళీ చేయలేదు అనిష్టంగా. Because sluggishness is one of the strong features of phosphorus anywhere. మందగుడిగా అయిపోతాయి శరీర భాగాలు. So you remember these drugs to identify the diabetes patients of various drugs. For example, the pulsatilla diabetes patient, male, what does he show? He shows a disinclination to speak. Gradually he develops silence in the office or in the house, not inclined. Goes for cool, sour things like lemon juice, etc. And in the night he has more suffering. Pulsatilla patient. And the mind of pulsatilla is different. He is having, even though a male, he is having a weeping type of mood. He feels that his health is getting shattered and he weeps over the area. Like that, you have to study a drug. In what way it differs from the other drug. We should be able to distinguish. Both the fellows are having yellow discharges. Sometimes they may be having yellow urine. Sometimes they may be having recurring diarrheas, yellow in color. ఇద్దరికి కూడా పచ్చగానే ఉంటాయి diarrheas. But in pulsatilla, it is too much of gas and flatulence and too much of rumbling sounds many times. Whereas in phosphorus, it is too sluggish. The rectum cannot control this too. Sometimes the fellow cannot contain before he goes to the toilet. Like attendant గా ఉన్నటువంటి symptoms తో చూసుకోవాలి. చూసుకుంటే మనకి డిస్టింగ్విష్ అవుతుంది తెలుసు. And with all these symptoms, he may not be having sugar at all, but he may be having stones, renal calculi. That is, ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్గా వీటిలలో డిస్టింగ్విష్ చేసే పద్ధతి. There is no sugar, there is renal calculi, that is stones in the bladder or in the passage that connects the bladder with the kidneys. Kidneys నుంచి బ్లాడర్లోకి వచ్చేటువంటి ఆ కాడలో రాళ్ళు ఉంటాయి, ఎత్తగా ఉంటుంది ఒక్కొక్క. And the fellow develops pain. And whenever there is pain, the fellow goes into hunger and he wants to eat. Whenever he eats, he feels better. That is phosphorus. ఆ రాయి కదిలినప్పుడల్లా నొప్పి పెడుతుంది, రేపు పెట్టినప్పుడల్లా ఆకలి వేసినట్టుంటుంది, ఆకలి వేసినప్పుడు ఉన్నప్పుడల్లా చల్లగా ఉన్నటువంటి ఇంత సజ్జనం ఏదో గుడ్డలు తింటే హాయిగా ఉంటుంది, సజ్జ ఉప్మానం తింటే హాయిగా ఉంటుంది ప్రాణం. సజ్జనం స్పెషల్ ఫర్ ఫాస్ఫరస్ ఫెలోస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫేవరెట్ ఫుడ్ బికాస్ దే ఫీల్ మచ్ ఎబిలిటీ. చల్లగా తగ్గిగా ఉన్నటువంటి ఉప్మా అయినా సరే, అన్నం అయినా సరే, ఇష్టం దోశ అయినా సరే, ఏదైనా సరే హాయిగా ఉంటుంది ప్రాణం. ఫాస్ఫరస్ ఫెలోస్ కొంచెం తగ్గుతుంది ఆ బాధ. Calculate will be dissolved with phosphorus in such conditions. And any drug that is indicated, of all the thousands of drugs, any drug where it is indicated, if the person is having a stone anywhere, it dissolves it. The stone, sometimes it will be broken and it comes out. Arsenic is one of the very frequently indicated remedies. Arsenic, sarsaparilla, phosphorus, medotham. Tuja. Arsenic, sarsaparilla, Medullum, Tuja, phosphorus, calcarea car, calcarea, slow, Berberis vulgaris, Berberis vulgaris. These are the drugs that are prominently indicated to control calculate. Remember also sarsaparilla. There was an old gentleman, Muslim, near the Avian College town, having a pawn shop. Now I think his grandson is in the pawn shop. The fellow, he was bent like that for 8 years. Gradually he got that bent. And he was having too much of pain in the bladder and kidneys. And when the doctors examined, they saw many stones in the bladder. And they said, it cannot be operated. You just manage with it. You will die if you operate. He came to the clinic of Govardhan in Alipur. And Govardhan took the case history and gave 1 dose of arsenicum album 200. And within 1 week, the fellow brought all the stones in a filter paper. He washed the stones and brought them in a filter paper and had shown them. There are so many stones. Now they are preserved in a bottle. So, any drug really indicated for a person having stones, the drug brings out stone. If the stone is too big, then it breaks the stone into 2, 3 or 4 or sand, and then there will be an easy delivery. Then there is another symptom, separate, that is about sexual symptoms. Untimely sexual desire with painful erection, అకాలమైన కామోద్రేకము, అంగం బిగుతెక్కుట, తాళ నొప్పి పెట్టుట. Be sure that he is a gonorrheal patient. Otherwise he will not have an untimely sexual desire. Because for a healthy man, there is time for everything. And there is place for everything and there is a method for everything. So, we have many types of gonorrheal patients, some going into phosphorus, some going into China, some going into falsatella. Acid flow, sarsaparilla, argentinum nitricum, puja. Yes. Acid nitricum, natron salt, exactly. Causticum. There are as many as 12 types, like Israel. So, you should read all these drugs in a juice again to understand the post-gonorrheal complications of the fellow. All these fellows will have untimely sexual urge with a painful erection. Yes, lycopodium, the rank drug. Arnica. Arnica is a famous drug. Vidlalo, arnica చాలా ప్రామినెంట్ వహిస్తుంది, సుగరవైద్యులు. Arnica. So, sexual desire with painful erection. And sarsaparilla, sexual urge with erection and burning. And another indication of phosphorus is repeated untimely sexual urge with impotency. మాటిమాటికి అకాలమైన కామోద్రేకము, నర్మోదగత్వము. That is, he cannot enjoy, but always he feels a painful erection. Another indication, the same thing, that is untimely sexual urge and gradually growing impotency and the patient increases the quantity of salt he eats day by day. రోజు రోజుకి ఉప్పు ఎక్కువ తింటాడు, నేటర్లు వేయకూడదు. Look at the symptoms of phosphorus. Before you decide నేటర్లు or phosphorus. It is most frequently it is phosphorus than నేటర్లు. ఇప్పుడు ఉప్పు తగినంత మొదలెడతాడు, నపుంసకత్వం డెవలప్ అవుతుంది, లక్షణాలు ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. This is the confirmed symptom of phosphorus. Spinal disease like pain in any part of the spine or burning in any part of the